Hey, Ms Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today, we are going to talk about the expression, all the bells and whistles. Have you heard of this expression before? The expression, all the bells and whistles, refers to the most modern, up-to-date, usually expensive features. Features that are non-essential, but very attractive accessories or trimmings. Now, let's look at how it's used in a conversation. Conversation example number 1. How was your visit at your friend's house? Her house has all the bells and whistles. There's a fountain in her living room, modern appliances, heated bathroom floor, even an indoor pool. Seriously? Wow! So, as you can see in this conversation, B describes all the bells and whistles in detail. So she said a fountain in her living room, modern appliances, and so on. Okay, let's go to the second example. Did you see John's new car? Nope. Why? It has all the bells and whistles. It's the latest one from Ford. No wonder he works 80 hours a week. So in this conversation, A says that the car had all the bells and whistles. It means it had all the gadgets, the state-of-the-art stuff in a car. Okay? All right. Let's move to the next slide. Now it's your turn. Answer this question. Do you prefer simple things in life? Do you prefer simple things in life? Answer in the comment section using the expression. This is a great way to practice using the expression we learned today. Just type in your sentence and I'll be sure to respond to each one. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.